Today I want to answer the question, if somebody's working from home, can they claim workers' compensation insurance? Short answer is yes. Workers' compensation insurance pays for on-the-job injuries that people experience. And if somebody's working at their home desk and they get injured, let's say that they've got a really messy house and they trip over a cable on the floor, it's workers' compensation insurance. Or let's say they have a really poor office setup. Maybe they're working from their couch 8 hours a day and they develop back problems because they've got bad posture. It's workers' compensation insurance. Or maybe their office isn't set up real well and so their typing posture isn't great, so they develop carpal tunnel as a result of bad posture. That's workers' compensation insurance. It's one of the unique issues of hybrid work is now, yeah, it's great that people can work from home. There's a lot of benefits, but now you have to think about somebody's home office as an extension of your offices and make sure that their workspace is set up well, it's safe, and that people aren't going to get hurt working there. The other thing I want you to really strongly consider is when people work from home and they're working in another state, because this impacts your workers' compensation insurance. You need to list every state that you operate in regularly on your workers' compensation policy in order for there to be coverage. This is critical. Every state's got its own rules about what gets paid out for certain injuries. And let's just say, for example, your primary office is in Maryland. Now you have an employee that lives and works in DC. You never list DC as a state on your workers' compensation policy, and that person slips and falls working at their office, and that state's not listed on the policy. That claim could very well get declined, and then you are responsible for somebody's medical injuries, and you don't have an insurance company to back you up in that situation. It's really bad. And people don't necessarily think about it when they're either entering a new state or they're allowing somebody to work from home in a new state. Or maybe someone just decided to move to Tennessee during the pandemic and told you this is how it's going to go, and you're living with that person. So I hope this helped answer the question, if somebody's working from home and is injured, can they claim workers' compensation insurance? If this has you asking any questions about your current program and broker relationship, and you'd like to talk to somebody with experience in your field, please reach out to us at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.